Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all doing well. In today's video, we're revisiting the topic of recharging my DIY Powerbox. After reviewing my previous video, I realized there was a crucial aspect that I needed to address. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find the link below. Today, I want to focus on the importance of using the right type of recharger, especially for sealed lead-acid batteries, which is what I use in my DIY Powerbox. There are three key points I'd like to emphasize in this video. Number one, choosing the right charger. It's very important to choose a charger made for your battery type. Using the wrong charger can lead to issues like overcharging, undercharging, chemical imbalances, and more. I'll cover these problems in my upcoming videos. For the lead-acid battery in my DIY Powerbox, I'm using a charger explicitly made for lead-acid batteries. Here you can see that this charger indicates that it is made specifically for sealed lead-acid batteries. The link to this charger is available on Amazon below. Please note that this video is not sponsored by the charger's seller. Number two, smart recharging for battery maintenance. The second important thing to remember when recharging any battery, not just lead acid, is to use a smart charger. These chargers can keep the battery in good condition when it's fully charged. This way of recharging is often called trickle charging. For example, like this charger, when the battery hits its highest volts, usually 13.9 volts, it lowers the charging power to avoid overcharging. Otherwise, if a battery gets overcharged, it might get too hot or even explode. Now a question, is it safe to let the charger trickle charging a lead-acid battery for many days? Well, the answer is both yes and no. It depends on how good the charger and the battery is. Usually, the makers of both products will tell you if it's safe or not. Number three, battery usage considerations. While not directly related to recharging, it's also important to consider the usage of the battery. Avoid using a lead-acid battery when its voltage drops below 10.5 volts, although some may argue at 11 volts, to prevent deep discharge, which can lead to irreversible damage. Also, it's not a good idea to leave a lead-acid battery without charging or using it for a long time. Some people suggest not more than 6 months, depending on how good the battery is. It's important to note that all batteries, especially lead-acid ones, will lose power or self-discharge over time when not in use. If a battery stays unused for a long time, the lead sulfate on the battery plates can become hard and form a layer called sulfation. This layer can make the battery hold less power and work less effectively. That's why many rechargeable devices and appliances stop working in less than a year when their batteries are not properly charged or maintained. It's important to note, though, that these recommendations primarily applied to lead-acid batteries. Other battery types, such as lithium-ion and lithium iron phosphate, demand less maintenance and precautions. These are the three critical factors to consider when using a recharger for lead-acid batteries. While there are additional considerations, I'll cover them in my future videos. Please let me know if I missed something from this video by leaving a comment in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.